Okay. Application of trigonometry, class 10, 12th chapter, exercise number 12.2. It is very important chapter, and this exercise is very important. You expect one problem from 12.2 exercise. Anyhow, in the previous video we discussed about 6th problem. Now we are discussing about 7th problem. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other. Two poles of equal heights. Suppose this is my one pole and this is my another pole. They have equal heights. Say AB and CD are my poles of equal heights. Suppose this is the distance between these two poles. Two poles of heights is equal heights of standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 120 feet wide. This is very the distance between two poles is 120 feet. From a point between them on road, a point between them on the road. Suppose this is my point, say some O. This is my O. The angle of elevation at the top of the pole is 60 degrees. If it is nearer to this one, it makes big angle, that is say some 60 degrees. And 30 degrees respectively of the two poles. On the top of the poles 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Say this is 30 degrees. Once again I am reading. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the pole. So I need to find, this is the height of same, because given two poles are equal heights. This is a H and this is a H. And also we have to find and the distance from the point from the pole. That means we have to find the distance from the point to the poles, from this from this to this and this to this. That's all. Clear? Now I would like to take AB is equals to CD is equals to, I take in H meters and written like this, and you write it down height of the pole. Now consider right angle triangle ABO, comma, angle of elevation AOB is equals to 60 degrees. Angle AOB is equals to 60 degrees. Now consider opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan 30 degrees. Tan 60 degrees, sorry. So tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side AB, that is H I taken, and BO or OB, whatever it may be, OB. That's it. I know tan 60 degrees value is root 3. So root 3 is equals to H by OB. Then root 3 into OB is equals to H equation 1. Similarly, by considering CDO, in right angle triangle CDO, at angle of elevation COD is equals to 30 degrees. Am I clear? This is my 30 degrees. Now, tan 30 degrees is equal to, similarly, we are trying opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is how much?
H.
H. By adjacent side is how much?
OD.
OD, very good. Opposite side by adjacent side, this is O, keep in mind OD. But I would like to write OD in terms of OB. How? We'll see. I know it, BD is nothing but distance between two poles. Am I clear? Okay. That is equals to, can I write it down? OB plus OD. OB plus OD. But BD is given, the distance between two poles is given 120. Can I write it down 120 here? That is equals to OB plus OD. Then OD is equals to 120 minus
OB.
OB is equals to OD. This helps us to solve this problem. Now coming to this one. In place, tan 30 degrees is nothing but 1 by root 3. I would like to write as it is. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. And h by OD. By cross multiplication, OD is equals to h
Root.
h. Okay. This is my equation 2. And OD is nothing but
120 minus
120 minus
OB.
is equals to h root 3. But keep in mind, is root 3 is multiplied, no, will go this side. Divide. So 120 minus OB by root 3 is equals to h. This is equation 1 I gave. I just retain, this is in terms of h. Here I have h and here I have h. From 1 and 2, this is 2, keep in mind. From 1 and 2, this and this are equal. From 1 and 2, we get root 3 into OB is equals to 120 minus OB divided by root 3. See, this is dividing, will go this side. Root 3 into root 3. 3 into OB is equals to 120 minus OB. OB here minus OB will go that side.
Plus.
It will add. 3 times OB plus OB is equals to 120. 3 OB plus OB, 4 OB is equals to 120. OB is equals to 120 by 4. How many times? 30 times. Am I clear or not? Therefore, OB is equals to 30 feet. 30 feet. Am I clear or not? FT. 30 feet. So OB is nothing but 30 feet. Then OD is equal to how much? 120 minus 30, that is equals to 90 feet. Okay. Now coming to height. We need to find height also. Now, here we have the equation. First equation, root 3 into OB is equals to h. So root 3 into my OB is 30 feet is equals to h. Am I clear or not?
Yes.
Therefore, height is equals to root 3 times 30 or 30 times root 3 feet. Height of the poles is equals to 30 feet. 30 root 3 feet. And also we need to write OB and OD also, right? So OD is equals to 120 minus 30, that is equals to 90 feet. So totally the observer between the poles with 30 feet from one pole and 120 feet, sorry,
90.
90 feet from other pole.